BM English speaking radio channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachiti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 58 of season 3. Today's word is exalt. The meaning of exalt is think or speak very highly of someone or something, to raise to a higher rank or position. With BM English speaking radio channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word exalt. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Exalt is spelled as E-X-A-L-T. Commander Rathod returned from the war to his village. The news of him winning the bravery award had already reached the villagers. They exalted him and planned a big celebration. They were very proud of him and praised him a lot. Our soldiers are the pride of a nation, aren't they? Listen carefully how we can use the word exalt in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. The selling of products needs glamour, means attractive look, in marketing. Often, celebrities are engaged or roped in for this purpose. They are expected to exalt the product in public domain so that people notice it and are willing to spend on it. Example number 2 of 8. The Indian Tourism Department has invited consultants to make a brochure for the foreign tourists. The brochure is expected to provide information to the tourists as well as exalt the beauty of India. Example number 3 of 8. The exalted status enjoyed by many superstars is envy of many. But one must remember that they have achieved the same through dedication, commitment, and a lot of hard work. Isn't it true? Example number 4 of 8. Have you read about the kings of olden times who used to employ poets? These poets would write poems to exalt the king. The actual pronunciation for poem is poem. They would speak highly of the king. Now, who doesn't love to be praised? Do you know that you can speak in English just like your mother tongue? Get in touch with our trainers for free evaluation of your English and train you to build on your English fluency. To know more about our English fluency courses, log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. We all know that Indian Space Research Organization has made tremendous progress in space science. India has been able to launch satellites into space on its own. This has granted India an exalted position amongst nations of the world. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. As per many saints and preachers, compassion is the most exalted virtue or quality of human beings. As humans, it is one of our foremost duties to help other living beings. Example number 7 of 8. Mr. Rodriguez was a well-known coach and expected all his students to exalt him as a superior at all times. This sometimes resulted in conflicts or arguments between him and his students. Example number 8 of 8. Europe is a beautiful place for tourists from all over the world. Within Europe, Switzerland has an exalted ranking as one of the most loved destinations. The snow-covered Swiss mountains are a sight to watch. Wow! Wouldn't you want to go there sometime? Today we learned the word exalt, which means think or speak very highly of someone or something, to raise to a higher rank or position. Can you frame 3 sentences with exalt and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.BMenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 58 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.